What if I told you this empty glass box can turn into a living paradise?
First, clean the tank and add a nutrient base layer.
Pour the gravel slowly. Ensure it covers the bottom evenly. Now add gravel or sand for a natural look.
All right, time for the rocks first. Next, a piece of driftwood for structure. And finally, add some green plants to bring it to life.
Now, let's place the rocks, driftwood, and plants to design this underwater world.
Add filter, lights, and let it cycle before adding fish.
And just like that, your mini ocean is ready.